If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. You can also size controls in forms and reports to fit their font display size if working with them in Form Design View or Report Design View in Access. For data controls, this sizes the control to fit its vertical font height. You may do this if you increase the size of the font used to show the data in a control, and then want to resize the control vertically without having to align it to the next available grid line. For label controls, this fits both the height and width of the label's text. To size a form or report control to fit in Form Design View or Report Design View in Access, select the control. Then click the Size Space drop-down that appears in the Sizing and Ordering button group on the Arrange tab of the Form Design Tools or Report Design Tools contextual tab in the ribbon. Then select the To Fit command from the drop-down menu that appears to size the control to fit its text. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.